The quilt you're looking at is actually Jenny's idea. When we were last filming together on the way home, we thought it would be a really good idea to start a beginner's quilt and a sampler quilt so that we can take you through all the various stages. That will include choosing your fabrics, cutting your fabrics, and build on a skill base. That's what a sampler quilt is. It will take you right from the start and through. For those of you who have some skills, we're also going to build on the various blocks, and I'm going to give you various options. So although the quilt here only has 9 blocks, you will have the option to make maybe 15 or 20, and we're going to show you how you can change the look of it with various fabrics and also add degrees of difficulty, if you like, into the blocks. So I hope it will appeal to a lot of you. I've designed it on the simplest of the patchwork grids, which is the basic 9 patch. And we've got 9 blocks. 8 of them are on the 9 patch, and the middle one is my beloved log cabin. So we're going to take you through, as I said, the skill base. But one of the reasons, or one of the things that I find about sampler quilts is it has a tendency to drag on, particularly if you're a beginner and you want it to be finished. So we're going to really rattle through these. We're going to load them up onto the site every couple of weeks so that you can keep up with this if you want, or of course you can do them in your own times because they will be there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And you can do it, as I say, in your own time. And we're going to guide you through the fabric requirements, through the construction, and I hope at the end of it you're going to really enjoy having a lovely quilt. So I look forward to you joining me.